Close your eyes, go back. Before the streams, before the screens, before the algorithms told you what to feel, there was just a sound, and it changed everything. It started with a heartbeat, a guitar and a dream, a radio crackling somewhere between silence and a scream. Pop music was a revolution, dressed up like a song. 3 minutes of forever, telling us we all belong. 1955 and Elvis shook the floor. A boy from Mississippi knocked down every door. Then 4 boys flew from Liverpool across the ocean wide, said yeah, 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 and took the whole world for a ride. Motown put its sequins on and walked onto the stage. Diana Ross and Stevie wrote the soundtrack of an age. Every decade had its rebels, every era had its sound. Every generation found the music that would turn the world around. And just when someone said that rock and roll was finally dead, something new came on the radio and messed up every head. This is the history of pop, written in the grooves of every record that we love. This is the history of pop, every revolution hiding underneath the chorus up above. From the jukebox to the Walkman to the phone inside your hand, the song remains the same. Just help me understand how 3 minutes of a melody can make the whole world stop. That's the beautiful, the brutal history of pop. Disco balls and MTV in '76, ABBA on the dance floor with their irresistible tricks. Michael walked into history in '83. Thriller sold 100 million, rewrote what a pop star could be. Madonna said that image is the instrument you play. Prince said music has no gender, do it every single way. Then the internet arrived and broke the industry in two. The gatekeepers were gone. K-pop crossed the ocean, TikTok made a star. 15 seconds, all you need to take it very far. The algorithm changed the rules, but couldn't stop the song. This is the history of pop, written in the grooves of every record that we love. This is the history of pop, every revolution hiding underneath the chorus up above. From the jukebox to the Walkman to the phone inside your hand, the song remains the same. Just help me understand how 3 minutes of a melody can make the whole world stop. That's the beautiful, the brutal history of pop. So the next time that a song comes on and makes you close your eyes, remember every rebel who refused to compromise. Because the history of pop is not a story that is done, it's being written right now by someone. Maybe you're the one. Turn it up.